Anytime that you watch a video or a reel on Facebook, it is being recorded on your watch history. And I'm going to show you how to find it in Facebook Lite. I'm currently on the home page of my Facebook app. So you just need to tap on the three bars on top of your profile. And then you scroll down to where you'll see settings and privacy. Scroll down again to where you'll see settings. Now, I need you to scroll down further to where you'll see activity log, this activity log here. And then you'll then scroll down to where you'll see logged actions and other activity. And then tap on it. And then you'll scroll down to where you'll see the videos that you have watched. Tap on it. And then it will show you the list of the videos that you recently watched. You can tap any and it will take you to the specific video. Tap on one and then you can see this is the video. You can watch it again. You can go even to last month or last year and I can see the video that I watched that time. This is a great way to revisit some videos that you watched and you don't recall who is the creator of that video, right? And it's that easy. Be productive and see you on the next one.